of the original milk tea. Once upon a time, baby original milk tea was born. Original milk tea was loved by all and brought smiles wherever she went. Original milk tea made people stay. It brought people together. However, one day, specialty milk tea showed up. People were cautious at first of specialty, but they quickly warmed up. The once bright days of original milk tea were over. Original milk tea's presence no longer brought smiles. In fact, original milk tea's presence was no longer wanted. Shunned by all, original milk tea's life turned for the worst. Soon, original milk tea became watered down. Original milk tea became known as the basic boba. Too generic, too simple. Then one day, original milk tea disappeared and was never seen again. Time skip. Lightning flashes. Halloween milk tea boba's squished face appears at the window. Friends jump in horror. They get pelted by moldy boba. The curse of the moldy boba was cast on the friends. From then on, all their boba was moldy. The end.